to measure in DATACT using the 2D view, or the view you can see on my screen, there are two options available. One, measure distance. You click on it, select where you want to start the measurements, left click again, and to continue, you can left click again and again. To stop the measurement, double click, left click, and there you have the total measurement start to finish. Similarly, if you want to do area measurements, you left click all the points that you want to include in the measurement, and once you are done, you can either double click or go to the first point and click on it just once, and then you have the total area measured.